So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go on YouTube and select a makeup tutorial, and I'm going to try to do that on my face. Hala, I have my concealer and my mascara on because I was getting ready to film, and then I'm like, oh, light bulb. And also what I'm gonna do is, so right now I have the camera set up on my mirror, so I can't really see. I'm gonna show you my view. So I'm gonna be seated where I am. My face is blocked by you. I'm not gonna shift. I'm gonna be fair. And I'm really gonna do this without looking, okay? So it's kind of a blindfolded makeup challenge, just blindfolding myself. I'm gonna remove all other possible mirrors. So I'm just gonna go to Nikkie tutorial, Desert Dusk palette makeup. So I have the video here. Is this the same palette? It looks so different. Okay. So I'm gonna follow her tutorial. Where are my brushes? Her makeup looks amazing. So let's see. Yalla Nikkie, let's go. So she's starting with amber. She's taking a fluffy brush. Okay, why is it so dirty? Excuse me. I'm taking this. Gonna. Okay. Think, should I add more? I don't know. I'm gonna add more because hers looks very strong. Okay, next we're gonna take Eden and we're gonna put it inside. Do I need to clean the brush? Yeah, I'm not sure what's gonna be worse, my cooking videos or this makeup tutorial. Oh my god! Why does hers look so vibrant? I don't feel like this one looks the same. I think she blended them. Okay. I'm looking at you, not at the mirror, by the way. I feel like I look good. Next, we're gonna take Twilight. Okay. I've never done a cut crease. Help! I'm going to use my concealer. I don't know why I didn't think to watch this before. How much of my crease am I cutting? Oh, full out. Help me. I wanna cry. I really feel like I'm doing a good job. Crease. I think that's enough. So now, we're gonna take highlight. And I feel so stupid. Next, show the glitter in the middle, at the center. It's not on the brush anymore, so probably already is on the eye. Honestly, this is very stressful. Next. I don't know what she's saying. I'm just staring at her right now. What is she saying? I hope there's no eyeliner in this look. Ah, I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Is she doing a normal liner? You guys, I'm so scared. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I did a good job. I think this eye is done. What? I'm just gonna follow my instinct and just do that. I think we did it. I take an angled brush from the center. Okay, but it's a lot, no? Nikkie? مش كتير؟ يا رب. Okay. So حسيتها نزلت. Not the waterline, Laura, the lash line. I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. I don't think I'm doing it right. It looks like concealer to me, so I'm just gonna put concealer. I'm gonna assume that the gap is here. Done. I'm just gonna reapply mascara. That's it? Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna put bronzer, bronze, whoopsies. This color. Let's put highlighter. Yalla! We put on the nose as well now. Here. Now I'm going to see my face. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. Okay, look. Let's be honest. Okay, let's look at the good. So, the brows, ما كتير لا. The lipstick, the eyeshadow is good. It looks nothing like her eyes. I agree. But I was blindfolded. And I did a fairly good job. I can go out in this at night with no lights. This was not a failure. This was an interesting test, which I believe I have passed. Okay. Like, I think I would do this again. If you want me to do this again, let me know in the comments below and suggest some makeup tutorials that you would want me to do. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I challenge you to try this. If you do, tag me. I would like to see how it turns out. I will see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye!